all about jellyfish. Jellyfish. Those squishy, floaty sea creatures are super cool and have been around forever. Here's everything about them in simple words: history, biology, their role in the sea, and more. 1. History of jellyfish. Jellyfish are ancient. They've been swimming in the oceans for 500 and 700 million years, making them some of the oldest living things on Earth. Fossils. Scientists found fossils from about 580 million years ago in the Ediacaran period that look like jellyfish. Fossils from the Burgess Shale in Canada, 505 million years old, show creatures with bell-like bodies and tentacles just like modern jellyfish. Where they came from? Jellyfish evolved from simple, soft creatures that stuck to rocks in the sea. Over time, some started floating freely, becoming the jellyfish we know today. Why they're special? Their body design, round, jelly-like, with stinging tentacles, hasn't changed much in millions of years. It's so simple and perfect that they can live in all kinds of oceans. 2. What are jellyfish like? Jellyfish are simple but awesome. They look like soft, wobbly blobs but are built to survive. Body structure: 2 forms. Jellyfish have 2 life stages. The medusae is the floaty jellyfish shape we all know. The polyp is a tube-like thing that sticks to rocks. Some, like the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, can switch back from medusa to polyp, basically never dying. Jelly body. Their body is 95-98% water, making them light and flexible. A jelly-like layer called mesoglia helps them float and keep their shape. No brain. They don't have a brain, heart, or bones. A simple nerve net controls stuff like moving and eating, stinging power. They have special cells called cnidocytes with tiny stingers called nematocysts. These shoot out to catch food or protect them. Some stings, like from box jellyfish, Chironex fleckeri, are super dangerous and can even kill. These stingers work crazy fast, like in a millisecond. Eating. Jellyfish are meat eaters. They eat tiny sea creatures, small fish, or even other jellyfish. They sting their prey to paralyze it, then pull it into their mouth-like opening. They don't have a stomach. Food gets digested in a single cavity, making babies. Jellyfish release eggs and sperm into the water where they mix to make larvae. These larvae stick to surfaces and turn into polyps, which can grow new jellyfish. The immortal jellyfish can rewind its life cycle, going back to being a polyp, so it's kinda forever young. 3. Types of jellyfish. There are over 2,000 species of jellyfish, split into different groups: Scyphozoa, true jellyfish, like the moon, jellyfish, Aurelia, Aurita, round and glowy; Cubozoa, box-shaped and super venomous, like the sea wasp, Chironex fleckeri, one of the deadliest creatures. Hydrozoa includes things like the Portuguese man of war, Physalia physalis, which isn't a true jellyfish but a colony of tiny creatures. Taurozoa. These stay as polyps, stuck to surfaces and don't swim. Sea Ctenophora. Comb jellies. Look like jellyfish, but move with tiny hairs, cilia, and don't have stingers. Each type lives in different places, from deep oceans to near the shore. 4. Jellyfish in the ocean. Jellyfish are a big deal in the sea, but too many of them called blooms, can cause trouble. Food chain. They eat small creatures and get eaten by sea turtles, sunfish, and some birds. Environment clues. Big jellyfish blooms often mean something's up, like too much fishing, fewer predators, pollution, or warmer water. They love warm seas. Human impact. Blooms can clog fishing nets, close beaches, and even mess up power plants by blocking water pipes. Their stings can hurt swimmers and some are deadly. 5. Jellyfish in culture and history. Jellyfish have left their mark on people, science, and stories. Stories and symbols. In some cultures, jellyfish stand for flexibility and survival. In Japan, they are linked to sea spirits like the Kurage no Hinotama jellyfish fireball. Science wins. The green fluorescent protein GFP from the Echoria victoria jellyfish changed science. It helps study cells and won a Nobel Prize in 2008. Art and media. Their glow and beauty inspire art, books, and movies. People think their glow is magical. 6. Modern challenges and research. Jellyfish are in the news a lot these days. Climate change, warmer oceans, and pollution make jellyfish blooms more common, which can mess with fishing, tourism, and sea life. Medical uses. Scientists are studying jellyfish venom for medicines, like for pain or cancer. Their collagen is also used for new materials. Managing blooms. Researchers are figuring out how to predict and control jellyfish blooms to reduce their impact. 7. Fun facts. Immortal jellyfish. The Turritopsis dohrnii can live forever in theory by restarting its life cycle. Giant jellyfish. The lion's mane. Jellyfish Cyania capillata is the biggest with tentacles up to 120 feet long. Glowing. Many jellyfish glow in the dark, bioluminescence, to attract food or scare enemies. No brain, no worries. They don't need a brain to hunt or move around. 8. Jellyfish in India. Since you're speaking Hindi, here's a bit about jellyfish in India. Where they are. Found along India's coast, like the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Common ones include blue button, jelly, porpita, impact. Blooms can mess with fishing in places like Tamil Nadu and Gujarat, clogging nets. Their stings are a problem for beachgoers. Local view. Fishermen see them as both a nuisance and part of the sea's natural balance. Conclusion. Jellyfish are super old, super simple, and super important. From surviving millions of years to glowing in the dark, they're survivors that teach us about the ocean and even help science. If you want more on something specific, like a certain jellyfish or their role in India, just say so. Want a chart comparing jellyfish types? Let me know.